All right, now since we set up our Cengage site, now what you need is the actual transcription software. Within the directions in your textbook and in your welcome letter, it tells you that you need to download the NCH software. So if you open up a new tab and you go to nch.com.au, it's going to take you to the software site. Okay, now up here at this drop down, quick program search, you're going to scroll down and hit Express Scribe, transcription software. This is the software that you're going to download onto your system. This will cost you nothing more. Okay, we utilize the free version. Okay, so see here where it says Get Express Scribe free. Okay, you need to click the download the free version of Express Scribe here. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to follow the prompts. Okay. Okay. As it downloads, you'll go to your download section. Click your setup. Your license is going to come up here. You will need to make sure that you click the I accept and click next. Then it's going to install Express Scribe onto your system. Now, depending upon your internet speed, this could take a few minutes. Okay. The NCH program will then open.
Thank you for installing Express Scribe by NCH Software. Express Scribe is professional audio playback control software designed to assist the transcription of audio recordings. By now, you should have installed this program on the computer.
So as you see, it's going to go through a little introduction there at the bottom. Okay. Before I show you how to actually upload all your dictations into here, I'm just going to show you a couple of features within the Express Scribe that you can use. Okay. So obviously here's your play, your stop. This goes all the way back to the beginning. Okay, go to start. This rewinds, fast forwards, and this jumps all the way to the end. Okay. Here you can play with different volumes that is comfortable for you, whether you're using a headset or if you're just listening to it through the speakers on your phone. Also, this is a nice feature because some of the dictators, the physicians that are dictating, are talking really fast, or some of them may have an accent that might be hard for you to understand. Okay, there also might be a lot of background noise, anything like that. So you can adjust the speed of which they're talking and that you can listen to it at. This takes a little bit, it varies a little bit, but once you find the spot where you're most comfortable with, that's pretty much where you're going to leave it for the rest of the semester. It could vary a little bit based on different dictators, but not so much really. This is important here, to get this at the right spot. Also, if you are a slower typer, you're going to be stopping and going quite a bit. So utilizing these functions are going to be very important. Right? Now, if you are a fairly fast or very fast typer, you could even speed it up just a little bit. So, and I will do a sample on one in another video as well. But basically what you need to do is listen to a dictation without worrying about having to type it or anything like that, and just find a comfortable area where you think that you can listen to it, okay? Where you can understand what the person is saying, where you can understand their dialect and everything like that, okay? So this first week of class, basically I want you to play around with the system and see what you can do. Okay, now those of you that may have foot pedals in order to control the play, stop, rewind, fast forward features of the Express Scribe program, this is how you are going to set those up. So here at the top, you're going to go to Options, then you're going to go to Control, and you're going to do make sure that Enable foot pedal controller is there, and then you're going to click on the controller setup wizard. Okay, now mine is obviously going to say that there is nothing connected because I don't have mine plugged in. Okay, but then you're going to hit next and you're going to follow through. Okay, basically what this is going to do, and I'm sorry I don't have mine plugged in, but what this is going to do, it's going to have you choose what pedals you want with which direction. Okay, so if you have 3 pedals, okay, one's going to be rewind, one's going to be fast forward, and one's going to be play. And it's going to tell you to choose which one that you want for which. Okay, you're going to have to view a list of compatible foot pedals, okay, based on the ones that you have. Okay, typically it's usually a 3 pedal. Okay, so whichever ones that you have, you can compare with the operating systems and whatnot that are available to use it with. Okay, so you can go through and you can view all of this if you have any questions. Those of you without any foot pedals, that's no big deal. Basically, I'm just going to X out of here because I'm not, and I don't have my foot pedals in. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to learn the functions either through just clicking on them here, or you are going to learn to use the functions. If you see here, Control Home takes you there. F7 is rewind. F8 is fast forward. Okay. F4 is stop. And F9 is play. Okay. So you can learn all those different ones, and if you memorize what each function key stands for, you will be able to do that. Okay, so that's all I have for this video. The next one is going to be how to actually move the dictations from the Cengage site into your Express Scribe software. See you later.